Okay, so let's take a look at Netflix. Netflix daily time frame today managed to close almost down 1%, and it's for the year it's in an uptrend, and we are at now at a very important level, and I'm going to show you why. But before we do that, I want to point out a few things. So first of all, this could looks like a head and shoulder, okay? And we kind of break below the base. In fact, now we are making lower lows and lower highs. All the indicators are now bearish. Why? Because we have a cross here between the 20 and the 50 days double exponential moving average. We have the 5 days, the 20 days, and the 50 days that are now all crossed to the bears. Also, they're pointing down, and even the 50 days moving average is starting to point down. I mean, it's totally curled and it's going down. The MACD down here is crossed to the bears and is going straight down. The RSI is going totally down, as I mean, it's pretty clear, right? We're going down, straight down. And the PMO has crossed to the bears a while ago, 2 weeks ago, and is now going down. So everything for Netflix looks bearish. On the volume profile, we are way outside of the peak of the volume over here, which is between 289 and 296, and the peak of the volume is all the way down to 225. So long way to go. But this level that we are at now, it's very important, and the reason is that it acted as a resistance and support in the past. So look at this. It was support over here. It was support, and then it break all the way down here, and then it was resistance here, and now what is it going to do? Is it going to be support, or is it going to break below and for further downside action? Well, we'll see what happens, but definitely this is not the time to enter a long position. It's the time to see what's happening. I mean, a bounce can happen. If we zoom in, we can bounce from here. Um, we can bounce. Maybe retest the 20 days double exponential moving average, and then go down. There is one thing that I want to do with you guys before I close this video, and is I want to draw Fibonacci. So Fibonacci, let's be conservative. So this is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high, and we reached the 100% move today, although we got bought up, so we didn't close at the 100% move. And I will look for the 160% move, which is at 315. 315 looks like another important level because it was support. It acted like a support over here. And if I zoom out some more, it was probably resistance over here. So fairly a good and interesting level to look at. So again, if you're short, wait for a bounce. If you're long, wait for further down position. That's my view on Netflix.